The ingredients for the whole wheat pasta salad are a half a cup of chopped celery, a half a cup of orange bell pepper, a half a cup of red bell pepper, a quarter of a cup of red onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped olives, any kind of olives you like, 1 garlic minced, and a quarter of a cup of feta cheese. Now, this is very versatile, so you can put whatever cheese you like if you don't like the feta. And then I need the juice of 1 lemon, a half a cup of Italian dressing of your choice. This happens to be a creamy Italian dressing. Salt and pepper to taste, and then of course the pasta. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour our pasta into our bowl. Break it up. As you can tell, it's still warm. Okay, so I like to put in the garlic first so I can get some of that flavor out of the garlic. And then we're just gonna start pouring in all our vegetables. All these colors just make for a real eye-catching salad, which makes it real appetizing to people. Just a lot of color. Now that the springtime is here, the last thing that I put in this salad is the feta cheese. And the reason that I do that is because the cheese breaks up and it kind of makes it look a little cloudy. Okay, then I sprinkle in the parsley. Look at that, all those colors. Doesn't that just look delicious? And the good thing about this salad is that it sits in the refrigerator. You can have it up to 2 days in advance, and the longer it sits, the better it tastes. Okay, I'm gonna put in some salt. I use kosher salt. That's just personal preference. You use whatever you like. Okay, I'm gonna put the lemon juice and the salad dressing. And you can adjust the salad dressing however, you know, if it's too much or if it's not enough. You do what your family likes. I like to make this salad the night before, and then in the morning I put in the cheese. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and then I just sprinkle in my cheese. And there you go. Nice, easy salad. Now, I have made this with chicken. You can just bake some chicken and cut it into pieces and add it into the salad. It tastes delicious.